share your screen? We'll take a look at what you're looking at.
Okay. Talking about me or
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah, I'm just curious what error you're running into.
Like these lessons are lit up and I can click on them, but this one isn't.
Oh, okay. I probably have to mark your homework. Um, but for today's lesson, are you able to load the files, the program.py?
Um,
Um, yeah, add project. Are you Christian? You're able to see that get to this part.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, you're able to load in the project for today.
Wait, let me check. Sorry, I think I was.
Okay.
Lessons. It still says that. Do you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, modules and strings. Yeah, okay, go ahead and add that, and then yeah, let's let Christian share his screen.
Uh,
So Kevin, you're good. You got that to open.
can you see?
Not yet.
You can't see. Uh, there. Oh, there we go. There. Can you see it now?
Yeah. Okay, this lesson is not available yet. Um,
Because it says it's in the future. The lesson hasn't started yet.
what happens if you click on lesson two? Oh, okay.
Lesson.
Actually, sorry. Click on projects up at the top.
Okay, projects.
If you click submit homework, then we'll go back there. But okay, yeah, add project.
Wait, so sorry. Submit
Just go ahead
homework.
and click add project from list. Yeah. Um, sorry, I'm having you do too many things at once.
That's okay.
Add
Create an empty add project from list.
Yeah, we'll just focus on today, and then at the end we'll go back to the.
Modules and strings. This one.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, is it that? Is it that? That only comes when the lesson is finished.
I think so. Yeah, it unlocks.
Yeah, I think it's after the videos and stuff. Oh, I understand. I was just on the wrong screen.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. So let's go back to my slideshow for today. So you guys are able to get into program.py from the
Let's check.
project you just added.
yes.
Okay. So
Wait, is it in Donut Shop or was progress? Sorry, yeah.
got it. Okay. So it says we don't have starter code yet because we'll be starting from scratch. All computer programs have a beginning, and this program's no different. Don't worry, it seems like a big task to start from scratch, but it's okay. Let's see. The screen is blank. We don't have a shop to see. So you're able to open the preview.
Yeah, I I am.
Okay. And Kevin too. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
let's keep going. Okay. So when building something, you don't create all the materials from scratch. When you build a house, you don't make the bricks. When you build furniture, it usually comes with all the materials ready to assemble. Similarly, we need a way to use pre-existing code that we don't have to build from scratch to help us build our shop. Okay, so right, because like when you go to build a house, you don't build have to create the hammer from scratch. You don't have to create the ruler. You don't have to create this wood, right? So you kind of get these materials that you can kind of assemble or put together as you're kind of building from scratch. So you're kind of so what they're trying to equate that to is these things called modules. And in the first lesson, I believe we used the module, right? So here we're going to use that. We're going to use this wizard lib module. And what that's going to do is, like, last week we were coding Python from scratch, doing the basic math and gathering the inputs. So here we're going to use Python from scratch, but we're also going to use this module that's going to pull in this pre-written Python code for us to use. Let's see. A module is a library of pre-written code that can perform common tasks in a program. There's many different modules available to Python that you can use. To get the functionality from a module, import it using the statement above. WizardLib consists of many functions that add visual and audio elements such as images and texts, and can even perform animations. So that's what we're doing with WizardLib, is we're grabbing these pre-written functions that will add visual and audio, images and text that can perform animations. So we don't have a way to display any text on the screen. How will the users know what the name of the shop is? Can we use print? Okay, so print leads to boring text, so it's just going to print out the text. We would need to not only display our text, but also change its position or its size based on our needs. So what if there was a function that could help us do this? Okay, so add text. So you can use the add text function to add text. It needs the text to display as the first argument and the size of the text as the second argument. So here's the add text function. The first argument is this string of text, and then this is the size of the text. So like in pixels, right? Like 20 pixels, 30 pixels. And then here's a function to position the text and the positioning at center. Okay. So add the shop's title and background. So now we're going to do the first step in the project, okay? So import WizardLib into the project, add the background image, and then add the add and position the shop's type. So here's how to add the WizardLib module. And here's how to add the background. And then here's how we're going to position the background. So go ahead and type this in, okay? I'll leave this up, all right? So I'll give you guys like 5-10 minutes, all right? You just let me know when you're finished. Okay. Just gonna go on mute, but if you need my help, let me know, okay?
Is it only me or does it come up with an error that says wizard lib is it can't find wizard lib?
Um, Go ahead and share your screen and let me see. Let me see your screen one more time. Okay. Refresh this page. Okay. And then let's go back to your code. Okay. From wizard lib import. Uh, Make sure there's a space after the T. Yeah. Okay. And then save. Does it save it automatically for you? Click say that save the third button. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Okay, so now we're getting a new error. Um, okay, so what's that? The add background? Okay, make sure inside add background, make sure that like path is wrapped in quotes. Okay, so now we have a new error. Okay, are you still getting an error?